Sipho Big Fish Makhabane wants the court to order Swazi Observer to pay him a sum of 1 million Emalangeni for defamation and for tarnishing his image in society. When the matter resumed at the High Court before High Court Judge Mumcy Dlamini, Makhabane informed the court that on the 17th of January 2007, they had a press conference where a majority of the country's media houses, including Swazi Observer, were represented. He said in the press conference, Dlamini was thanking him for having paid his bail following charges he was facing before the court. Makhabane paid 15,300 Emalangeni. Makhabane said he did not believe his eyes when he saw his picture on the Swazi Observer group of newspapers and an article that was defamatory in nature. He quoted before the court some of the phrases used in the article, like one which says, "Please leave God alone," meaning, please leave God alone and continue with your wayward behavior. Another phrase that Makhabane quoted before the court says, "Rubbish, leave God out of this madness." Makhabane informed the court that he didn't even receive a call from Swazi Observer in case they wanted clarity, despite that they do have his contacts. He also informed the court that the article portrayed him as a liar and somebody who is not a Christian. He says the biggest question on the article was that Dlamini got bail on a Tuesday. Makhabane arrived in the country on Wednesday. So when did he pay the bill? Makhabane informed the court that he is a standard 3 dropout, but he knows how to send money using the latest technologies. Makhabane said he wrote a letter of complaint to Swazi Observer, but they failed to retract the article. The matter continues at the High Court. For Swazi TV News, I'm Linton Gule at the High Court.